Welcome back. Now, if you got frustrated from getting traffic to your website or spending a lot of money on online advertising without getting the conversions you want for your business, whether this is a lead generation, phone calls conversion, online sales, or newsletter sign up, then you should know that Google AdWords is the biggest and profitable advertising platform for you out there. Even if you have the best website design, best product or services in the world, but if you continue to struggle how to convert those traffic into sales or money, or how to get those people to see what you offer, or how to get people to interact with your website. So today, I will show you some winning strategies with Google AdWords that you can implement to make more profits to your business. So you can apply these strategies to any type of business. Now, there are several techniques that will really help you to bring profits to your business. If you top with Google AdWords, whether you have a brick and mortar business, or maybe you have an e-commerce business, selling your own digital products, software, one-on-one consultancy, or wedding gown designer, organizer, or any kind of business that you can think of. Now, let's talk about the difference between search queries and keywords. Now, a query, this is what a user types in this box. So they are words, phrases, or sentences that searchers enter into this search engine. So for example, a user is looking for vacuum cleaner. So this user can type vacuum cleaner or where to buy vacuum cleaners or the best vacuum cleaners to buy near, let's say, New Jersey. So whatever word, phrases that a user type here in Google search is called search query. Now, what are keywords? Inside your Google AdWords account, when you start running your ad campaign, here in your keywords level. So keywords are what you type inside this keywords dashboard box. So this is what you are giving Google as a framework to match your ads to people's query. So keywords are ideas or topics that define what your content, products, or services is all about. So let's say you will put a keyword here like vacuum cleaner or best vacuum cleaners or buy vacuum cleaner machine. So these are example of keywords, and you can also insert some keywords like different match types, exact match, phrase match, or broad match. So we will not talk about in details here the keywords match types in this lesson. So a query is what a user types in the Google search, while keywords are the words that you type or sentence or phrase inside this box in your keywords level. Now, a query may or may not trigger a keyword inside your account. So that will trigger your ad associated for whatever keywords you insert here. And it is also important to understand negative keywords in your account. Negative keywords are phrases or words that you do not want to trigger your ads. So for example, you can just go and click here and set your negative keywords. So with my account here, let me just give you some example of negative keywords that I use. So here, let's say I don't want to use this accredited, bloggers, blog, okay? Degree, development, forums, free in my ad campaign. Sometimes you don't want to use cheap if you are selling vacuum cleaners and you do not sell any cheap vacuum cleaners. So you can add your negative keyword like cheap on your negative keywords list. So negative keywords is also crucial to your AdWords account to be successful. So let's say for negative keyword, even if this keyword is relevant to your business, for example, vacuum cleaner, it might not have a huge ROI if you only have, let's say, $10 per day budget to spend in AdWords. And you find that even a search that is relevant to your business and someone is typing this vacuum cleaner in this search box is not leading to a purchase, you may want to add that as exact match negative keyword because this might only trigger for those people looking for education about vacuum cleaner or looking for different types of vacuum cleaner, but they don't have the buying intent to actually make a purchase online. If you already started running your ad campaign with Google AdWords, then you can check your search query report. So all you need is just go here on your left hand navigation bar. You can see here keywords. So just go to your keywords level and you will see here search keywords, negative keywords, and search terms. So we are now at the search keywords page, all right? So if you want to check the search terms, just click this search terms. And you will see here below all the search term related to your ad campaign. So for example, in my case, these are the search terms that a user type in Google search box, like a search term of best way to make money with ClickBank. And you will see here, there's a long search term like ClickBank.com and Traffic Authority, Lara Clarek, Gmail.com, and I wanted you, Sao Mu Spots. I don't know what is this. All right. So you will see all the search term like ClickBank, money making system free, or how to make money ClickBank, or how to make money on ClickBank without a website on YouTube, how to make money online with ClickBank in 21 days or less. So this is a great long tail keyword where you can also tailor your ad group based on your long-term keywords. So this will be very helpful if you can see all the search term related to your ads. Now, if you do not want this long tail keywords from this search term, then you can add this to your negative keywords. To add this to your negative keyword, so all you need to do is just click that specific search term and you will see this once selected, add as keyword, add as negative keyword. So just click this add as negative keyword. And you will be given an option add as negative keyword to ad group, campaign, or negative keyword list. So I will just put this as negative keyword list. So I will just enter a list name, Money ClickBank. And once you're done, all you need is just click save. So one search term was added to the list. So you will see down below here that we have this search term. Now you will see added exclude and it says excluded. So you can use this search query like a pro. Learn how to find out what your customer's language. What are they speaking when they are typing a query on Google search? Once you learn this, you can certainly apply this in multiple ways inside your Google AdWords account, whether in your keywords targeting or your ad text. So you can learn what kind of terminologies that can give you higher click-through rate or what keywords are more engaging to your target customers. Because if you know this, this will help you to get higher quality score and to pay less per conversions. So all these things you can learn in search query reports. Now, creating your ad campaign with Google AdWords is easy, but you should know what is your primary business goal. Is it brand awareness, new leads, online sales, membership sign-ups, phone calls to your business, or offline sales? So the search query report will show you how people are searching for your products, services, business, or company. Different types of keywords represent different levels of interest or intent. Some search terms are used by people close to a conversion, while others are used by people who are still in the early stages of their research. So now let's talk about keyword planning. So you need to remember that people communicate with search engines with different queries in words. People search for answers to their questions in different ways. People seek information in different ways. And people feel differently about their problems that they need to solve. So we need to go through to this keyword planning. Make sure we understand which keywords may be more effective when it comes to conversion. Because some users are using brand terms. For example, they are looking for your brand. They already done their research. And those users are relatively easy to convert. There are different ways people search. People search for brand, people search for product terms, people search for product term substitute, or people search for your competitor's term. People search for product benefits. People search for informational queries. And the list must go on and on. So let me bring you a scenario here. Let's say this is Susan, wants to start her own business. She wants to generate extra income on the side while she is working full-time to help her pay her mortgage. So she is looking for a solution for this. So what she did, she turns to Google. So now, here's the thing. We do not know what's running inside the mind of Susan. So we do not know how she will communicate and type her query in Google search engine. So there are different type of queries that she might use to communicate with Google search. So for example, one type of query is answer to the question. And the example of this query, extra income to pay mortgage. Remember, her problem here is she wants extra money to pay her mortgage. So this is her example of query. She will just type and go to Google and type this extra income to pay mortgage. So this is a problem-based query. There is this question itself. So for example of this question itself query, how to earn extra to pay my mortgage, or how to earn extra money online because remember she is working, or how to earn extra money from home. So this one is a direct based query. Next, description of a problem. So what is Susan's problem here? She wants extra money to pay her mortgage. So example of this description of problem query, not enough money to pay mortgage, or I don't have enough money to pay mortgage. How can I solve this? So this one is a symptom-based query. Next, description of cause. So what is the cause of her problem here? So I work hard but not enough money to pay my mortgage. So even she's working full-time, her salary is not enough to pay her mortgage. So this one is a symptom-based query. Next is brand name or product. So let's say Susan, she already know about the product that this website can offer her. So this is for our example of online business website. Let's say Susan already done her research and she already have the idea, the name of the product that she is interested in. So with our example, let's say Susan already know the name of the product. So she will just put and type her query, Breakthroughs Mastery Course. So for example, this is the name of the product, and this one will be a direct based query. Next is informational query. So let's say Susan doesn't have any idea of what kind of business to help her generate extra income to pay her mortgage. So she might type her query as online business course website because she's still looking for some website who can give her some ideas about online business or building her own business. So this query is educational based. So always remember that people don't search the same way. People uses a query to describe the way they feel to communicate with search engine, what they want and what they need. Like with our example here of Susan. So we do not know what's playing inside her mind. So there are different types of query here that could be answer to the question itself, description of the problem, description of cause, brand name or product, informational query. And our role as advertiser is to provide them the answers or solutions to what they need. So that's all for today, and I will see you in our next lesson.